Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you're formatting your flash drive or you're converting it to a bootable USB drive. So this says media is write protected and how to fix this, and I've got a fix for this. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, close everything and then open CMD and run as administrator. Then you have to type Diskpart here. Once you type this, then you have to type list space disk. After that, search here for your USB flash drive, which is mostly 8 GB or 16 GB. When you're creating a bootable USB drive, so mostly people use 8 to 16 GB. Just you'll know better when it's your USB, so you'll know what size it is. So search for the size. For my case, I have 8 GB connected, so this is 7633 MB. So this one is my USB flash drive. Now I have to type select disk 1. Disk 1 is my USB flash drive, so I will type select disk 1 and then I will type attributes disk clear read only. Once you do this, just close CMD and restart your PC and then try your Rufus or any other software you're using, and hopefully this error won't come again and your problem should be solved. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.